Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the frame where the lock meets the door. This tells you whether to repair or replace wood. Remove trim or strike plate now so you can see screw holes and splits. Once done, clear debris and mark misalignment points with a pencil. Measure the gap and latch position to guide repairs. Make sure you've got wood filler, 3-in screws, shims, and clamps ready because you'll need them immediately to stabilize and rebuild weak areas before reattaching hardware. You now rebuild the damaged section and correct alignment so the lock functions smoothly. First, inject epoxy or wood filler into voids and press in a backing piece if large. That restores bite for screws. While filler cures, shim and clamp the jamb so the door sits square. This is why you measured earlier. Then re-drill pilot holes and fasten with longer screws into the framing. Using the stud for screws prevents repeat pulling. Make sure the latch lines up with the strike hole. You finish by trimming cured filler, sanding flush, and sealing or painting to prevent moisture damage. That preserves the repair. Reattach the strike plate and test the latch through the door's full swing. If it catches, adjust plate position using the pencil marks you made earlier. If binding persists, loosen screws, insert thin shims behind the strike, or deepen the mortise slightly. Do this incrementally so you don't overcut. If the door still binds after these tweaks, replace the strike plate or consult a pro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.